Hives affects over 60 million Americans. Between allergies, stress, and even different climates, hives can manifest for hundreds of different reasons. But now there's a way to fight against these breakouts and get fast, soothing relief from the comfort of your own home. Introducing Oxy Hives, our all-natural formula that uses the highest quality ingredients available today, and contains powerful, yet gentle, ingredients to get you the results you want without the side effects you hate. When hives strike, there's only one product out there that can help you reclaim your healthy skin. Our researchers have put together the optimal formula that can help fight against itchiness, redness, irritation, pain, and swelling. With quality ingredients and a precise formula, there's no better hive solution out there. No harmful chemicals, no questionable pills. Oxy Hives Relief is the safe, reliable way to get the relief you need. Click the link in the description below to claim your bottle absolutely risk-free.